Mm. This is the perfect steak. Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make the ultimate perfect steak. All right, so here are the ingredients that I'll be using for today's recipe. I have 1 piece of sirloin top steak, a tablespoon of steak seasoning, some olive oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, rosemary, and 2 cloves of garlic. All right, so we're just gonna hop right into the video and start rocking. Stay tuned. Now we're just gonna season our steak, give it a nice little sprinkle, flip it over, and just repeat the same steps. So now we're going to drizzle some olive oil, turn your stove on. We're going to turn it on to about a medium heat. Add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. All right, guys, so we're just going to turn our stove to about a medium heat and get our pan ready, all right? So once the skillet is nice and hot, then we're going to add our steak, add our rosemary, butter, garlic, and everything's going to be perfect. Continue to watch the video and stay tuned. All right, so we're just going to sear. All right, guys, so it's been about 3 minutes on the first side. After 3 minutes, go ahead and flip it over. And then we're going to sear it for another 3 minutes on medium heat. Once you get to that 3 minute mark on the second side, we're going to add our butter, rosemary, and garlic. All these three ingredients, going to add a nice flavor to the steak. Time to add our butter. Then we're going to add our rosemary and our garlic. Now we're just going to baste our steak. The butter is going to add a nice flavor, you know. Yes, guys, so I think that's it for the steak. I cooked my steak for about 3 minutes per side. And then once you add the butter, garlic, and rosemary, cook it for another minute. Baste it with the butter, and all those beautiful flavors will be infused inside of the steak. And that's pretty much it. We're going to go ahead and let it rest for about a minute. And then we slice it up real quick. Yes, guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and slice right into it. Wow. Beautiful. Mm. Look at that, guys. I'm going to give you all a close up. Mm. Wow. It's so juicy. My God. Mm. Yes, guys, as you can see, the steak is perfectly cooked. It's nice and tender, juicy. It's packed with a bunch of flavor. There are rosemary, herbs, and spices, from the steak seasoning. It's a perfect combination. Yes, guys, once again, we're at the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Mm. This is the perfect steak. Mm.